This is the Infinix Smart 8. It is the successor to the Infinix Smart 7. And for the starting price of about 82,000 naira, should you buy it? Are there any alternatives? Well, let's find out right after you click on that like button so that more people can get to see this video, and that subscribe button as well, as we are so close to the goal of 2,000 subscribers before the year ends. Thank you. Unboxing the Infinix Smart 8, you are greeted with the phone and all the necessary accessories. So a charging brick and headphones are present. Moving on to the design, it looks pretty much like any other budget device released this year. It seems like Transsion, which is the parent company to Infinix, Tecno and Itel, just decided to make all their budget devices in this design. The Infinix Smart 8 is made out of plastic, both at the rear and frame, which is expected. At the bottom, there is a mono speaker and a USB Type-C port with a headphone jack. At the right side, there is the volume keys and power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and at the other side, there is the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The Infinix Smart 8 is a 4G device. When it comes to display, there isn't really anything abnormal. It is a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels with surprisingly 90Hz refresh rate, which is a welcome from the 60Hz refresh rate on the Infinix Smart 7. The display is okay for basic social media consumption, and the 90Hz refresh rate allows for a better experience. The Infinix Smart 8 runs on Android 13 Go edition. It is a lighter version of Android meant for devices with low-end processors. So gaming on the Infinix Smart 8 is a no-no. Only casual games like Candy Crush and potentially Free Fire will be able to run at a decent frame rate on it. You also shouldn't be expecting any major software updates on it. However, Infinix should provide at least 1 year of security patches. Also, Infinix adopted the dynamic island feature found on iPhones on the Infinix Smart 8. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. The Infinix Smart 8 runs on the Unisoc Tiger T606 chipset. It is a low-end 12nm chipset with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage. Like I said earlier, the Infinix Smart 8 isn't meant for gaming, and I will also advise you to install lighter versions of apps to get the best experience out of it. So apps like Facebook Lite, Instagram Lite or TikTok Lite will work fine on it. Powering the Infinix Smart 8 is a 5000 mAh battery capable of lasting you through the entire day, and even more if you aren't a heavy user. It is capable of 10 watts charging, which means charging time will take anywhere from 3 to 4 hours from 0% to 100%. At the rear of the Infinix Smart 8 lies a triple camera bulb that contains 2 cameras, a 30MP main and an AI camera. The third is a LED flash. So in reality, you get only one camera, which is capable of taking videos at 1080p 30 frames per second and 720p at 30 frames per second from the 8MP selfie camera. Photos are decent under sufficient lighting conditions. However, when it is indoor or it is dark, the photos will fall apart. Securing the Infinix Smart 8 is a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is decent and reliable. However, there is the less secure face unlock, which uses the selfie camera. And yeah, that's about just it on the Infinix Smart 8. It is very similar to the just released Itel S23. And should you even buy the Infinix Smart 8? Well, if you don't mind the drawbacks and you just want a phone that works, then you can go ahead. However, if you want better, devices, so alternatives, then the Itel S23 or the Redmi 12C, if you can get it at this 80,000 naira to 100,000 price range, will be a better buy, because they have better processors, the MediaTek Helio G85, which is a much faster processor than this Unisoc T606. So if you can get your hands on those devices, they are a much better buy. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe as well and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.